The existence of an attorney-client relationship creates a host of fiduciary duties for the attorney, who must maintain client confidence, be honest with the client, and work in the client's best interests. But determining whether an attorney-client relationship exists isn't always easy. As seen in Morris versus Margulis, a fiduciary duty may exist even if the attorney is never retained and doesn't think that he's formed a relationship with the client. Edward Morris was an officer and director of Germania Bank. Bryan Cave, a law firm, represented Morris in several personal matters and served as corporate counsel for Germania. The bank developed problems with its loan portfolio, eventually leading to criminal and civil charges against Morris. Morris asked Bryan Cave to defend him in the civil suits, but Bryan Cave declined due to a conflict of interest. The record was unclear how much Morris divulged to Bryan Cave while seeking representation. After the Securities and Exchange Commission began a separate investigation into Germania, Morris retained other counsel, but continued to discuss the matter with Bryan Cave attorneys. One attorney who assisted Morris expressed reservations about doing so because Bryan Cave didn't represent Morris. At Morris's criminal trial, his defense counsel, Arthur Margulis, argued in his opening statement that Morris's actions at Germania were based on advice he had received from Bryan Cave attorneys. One Bryan Cave attorney responded by drafting and providing to the prosecution a list of potential cross-examination questions to undermine Morris's defense. After Morris was convicted, he sued Margulis and Bryan Cave for breach of fiduciary duty. The case against Margulis was dismissed. The trial court granted summary judgment to Bryan Cave, and Morris appealed.